Absolutely. Regular oil changes are fundamental to keeping your engine running smoothly. Oil lubricates the engine moving parts, which reduces friction and prevents wear and tear. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective at lubricating. This can lead to increased friction, which can cause damage to engine components. The frequency of oil changes can vary depending on vehicle makes and models, as well as driving habits. As a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to change your oil every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers or every 3 to 6 months. However, newer vehicles with synthetic oil can often go longer between changes, sometimes up to 12,000 or even 16,000 kilometers. It's essential to check your car's owner's manual for specific recommendations. Neglecting oil changes can have serious consequences for your vehicle. Over time, old oil becomes contaminated with dirt, debris, and engine particles, which can form sludge and clog vital engine components. This can lead to reduced engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and ultimately engine failure. Repairing or replacing a damaged engine due to neglected oil changes can be very costly. Regular oil changes are simple yet crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance that can help prolong the life of your engine and prevent costly repairs down the road. It's a small investment that pays off in the long run, so be sure to follow your vehicle's manufacturer's recommendations and schedule oil changes regularly. Here at NFS, you can schedule same-day appointment for your regular car maintenance needs. Contact us today.